Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display. This is where the brightness control lives, so there's no time wasted. Once done, make sure you note whether the brightness slider appears in Quick Settings or inside Display Options, because Samsung varies by model and One UI version. You want the screen awake, not in dark mode, so toggle off any power saving that limits UI changes. This prevents the system from locking layout updates while you work. You swipe down twice to show the full Quick Settings panel, then tap the three-dot menu or the pencil icon to edit buttons. This is where layout changes happen. Next, press and hold the brightness tile. If the tile is locked, you may need to remove then re-add it, so drag it to the active area where you want it. Make sure to place it near other display controls for faster access, because proximity speeds repetitive adjustments and reduces thumb travel. You finish by testing the new slider position, swipe down and move the bar to confirm responsiveness. If it jumps back or disappears, go to Display Settings and re-enable the brightness control. If that fails, restart the phone and, if comfortable, clear the system UI cache from recovery or app settings. That often resolves layout glitches. One final tip: make sure your system is updated. Older One UI builds sometimes restrict Quick Settings customization, so update before using advanced workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.